How to find branded content settings on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find branded content settings on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, click on these three lines here like this, and you will see here settings. Click on it, click account, and scroll down, and you will see here branded content. Click on it, and here as you see you can manage your branded content settings as you watch. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.